This video will show you how to deal with orders that you need to cancel and also take you through the other options in the purchase order form. Open the purchase order form by clicking on it once. As you remember from last time, you always land on the draft purchase order screen. Remember to refresh each time you want to look at the information that's available in any screen. You can see here that I have a draft purchase order which is not complete yet. I can either open this purchase order and complete it by processing it, or if I decide that I don't want to order anything after all, I can delete it. So I've got a waste paper basket up at the top of the screen, and I can delete a draft purchase order with no restriction. Using the back arrow key, it will take me back to my main purchase order form. Press refresh again. That order has disappeared. There is no longer a record of it. However, if I need to delete an order that has been processed, I need to first of all find it by changing the status to processed awaiting delivery and pressing refresh again. If I decide that I no longer need this purchase order, I can open it again by clicking onto the order number itself. I can't amend this order at all because I've already processed it, but again I can delete it. This does not send any notification to the supplier at all, so I must pick up the phone and speak to the supplier and cancel this verbally. There is no notification sent to the supplier. I'm going to go back now to my main page, and you can see the order number 8 has disappeared. It has been cancelled, but this time, unlike a draft purchase order, it has not disappeared. It will live in the cancelled screen as a written off order. Because the order had been placed, an order number had been issued, we cannot just delete the record, we have to write it off, and a record of that will always be stored in the cancelled screen. Along with that, there is a processed complete screen here, which shows all orders that have been full circle. The processed complete screen will display all orders that have been delivered, matched to the delivery note and completed. This list will get very big because Saffron keeps a copy of every single order that you've ever placed. So you can use the filter boxes at the top to look at sections of these orders. You could order it by supplier and refresh. You could order it by unit or by week. This is the week that the order was processed in, so you could narrow the list down to get exactly what you want. If you were looking for a particular order, you could type in the number here, refresh again, and it would limit the list to look for only that order number.